Yes.
Yeah.
And
So we use this exact same technique here, right? So I'll demonstrate. Don't worry, right? So the thing is now, for example, in octal binary table, say we'll take this octal table for this for an example, right? So each octal digit has how many bits?
8.
Ah, how many bits? Not digits. Each octal digit should have represented you by using how many bits? Hmm?
3.
3 bits. Yes. Each octal digit comes with 3 bits, right? Now, for example, if the octal number 0, I'm just going to type like this, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it, right? Then each digit of this octal number system represented by 3 bits. Now, for example, 0 represented with 0, 0, and 0 likewise, right? So when it comes to 1, it represented like this: 0, 0, 1. When it comes to 2, it represents like this: 0, 1. Can you see a pattern over here? I'll go for 3 also, right? So,
Excuse me,
yeah.
sir.
0, 1.
Sir,
Yeah,
why
yeah.
did you put 001?
Where?
That's
This is
second.
the. Wait. Just listen. First, listen. Can you see a pattern here? Shall I complete the table and show you?
Zero.
Seven.
One zero one.
111. After this, then 110. Next
1,
1 0 1 0 1.
0.
1, 1,
1.
1. Now tell me.
So now I can see the patterns.
Whether you can see a pattern over here. And
Sir, please
Sir, a noise is coming.
yes or no? Okay. This is how it works, right? So every time you start with the most
can't hear.
right hand side column. In this case, the third column. Is it clear?
Sir, can't hear you because there is a
Is it
noise
clear?
coming.
Yeah, because of the noise can't.
Noise is coming.
You need to answer. Is it clear?
Now okay.
We always
Oh,
start with the right hand side column, right? Then work our way towards the left hand side, right? We start with this column, then we go for the next second column, and finally the third column. You understand? Huh? So what you need to do is you work your way from right to left. Okay? Right to left. So first column has
What is even?
can't hear.
Then sir, when there is 4 columns,
start from the right hand.
Sir, are you?
Huh?
Yes, sir. Is sir speaking?
What? Can you hear me?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right. Okay. So what we are going to do is we will focus our attention from right to left. Okay. So here, what you can you see there's a small pattern here. Now for the right hand side column, the last column starts. It only has 1 0 and 1 1. Right? 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 and continue like that. Okay. When it moves to the next column to your left, zeros have become doubled, right? Instead of writing 1 0, you have write 2 zeros, right? Then instead of writing 1 ones, you have written 2 ones. Can you see this pattern?
Sir, can see.
Yeah. Give me a second. There's a small mistake. Right. Now correct. Okay. So likewise, so from the second column, if when you move to the third column of the to the left, what happens? Those 2 zeros becomes 4 zeros, doubled. 2 ones becomes 4 ones, again doubled. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
So this is the exact.
Sir, when it comes to 4 column,
What happens then? Then what happens is these 4 zeros becomes 8 zeros, 4 ones becomes 8 ones. Okay, that's what happens.
up
That
to 16, right?
yes, up to 16, right? So this pattern we can use the same pattern in our truth tables. For example, let's say our these inputs. Let's say let's look at our logic circuit over here. We have how many inputs there? Logic circuit. How many inputs?
3.
3 inputs are there. So what we can do is let's convert these 3 inputs. What are the inputs? We have A, we have
B,
B,
C.
and we have C. So 3 inputs, right? So what you can do is, right, you can incorporate the same technique to construct your logic circuit, truth table, starting from the right hand side column, which in this case is the C column. So how do we write the values? Starting with, always starts with zeros.
0.
No. Always starts with 0. Like this. 0, 1,
0.
0, 1, 0, 1. Like that. So maximum 4 or 5 or 6 rows would be enough. Okay. More than enough. Right. Then move into our second column, which is B. Input B. So what happens is, whatever the values you written for
1 1 0 1.
column C becomes double. In this case, 0, 0, 1, 1, again 0, 0. Get it?
Yes.
Yes.
In C you have only 1 0 and a 1 1. Now when it comes to column B, which is the second column, the values will be doubled. So instead of writing 1 symbol at a time, you have to write 2 symbols at a time. Okay. Then moving into our last column, column A. What happens? Again, the number of symbols will be doubled.
1
Instead of having 2
0.
zeros, no. Instead of having 2 zeros, you have to write how many zeros? 1,
1 0.
0.
4 zeros. Now we have to write here in this case only 1, 2 ones. Done. That's it. That's how you construct your truth table, the inputs. Clear?
It's clear now.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Okay. So that is how you construct this, right? So assume now you have 4 inputs. What happens? Now in this case, let's say I have another input as D. Now what happens?
Then sir, we should take it to then sir 0 0 0
Two
1
ones were
8
one
0
one zero zero.
Uh-huh. Now what happens is, this is what happens. So if
A
it,
should be sir
A should be
0 zeros 8 zeros.
Right.
Zeros.
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That's it. Right? Depending on the number of rows, okay?
Okay sir.
Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. This is how you construct your truth table. Then what you can do is, you can look into the first one, A dot B, then B plus C, and vice versa. Okay. That's how you construct a truth table. Okay. Any questions here? Any other questions you have? Oh, that's all.
I think that's all.
Okay. Right. So then we will finish the session. Okay.